Hot forging is the ultimate way of shaping steel into a useful shape. That's why Gravell use it. It is not cheap or gimmicky. It is the best way of shaping steel, and it will always be the best way of shaping steel. You take metal from where it's not needed to where it is needed and make the whole piece stronger. You also realign chains of molecules into lines of strength and beauty. This is one piece of steel. It is strong, practical, and a thing of beauty. It is only possible by hot forging. And now have more fun and success.